You're running away?
Huh? What you talking about?
I hear you're going overseas. Rumor has it you signed on to a team in America.
Yeah.
Ha! This is getting good. You know what this means. Vault is just going to chase after you. I've got my own plans. Turns out I'm moving up to the world stage as well. Don't think you've seen the last of me. I guarantee you the next time we meet, I'll dominate you.
Sure.
Go ahead. I'll find you someday. Your turn. Had your fill? I'll clean up.
Incredible! I can't believe how much speed Valtryek was holding back!
Was that its secret?
Yeah! Now, now, now! It's way faster!
How come he got great tips from you and I got squat? I probably would have won if I'd had a pep talk with my
Hey,
babe.
you.
Huh?
Who, me?
Yeah, who else? You can take the next one.
Hi, Visible here! Let me vibe with Rockavor and I'll give it a shot.
Lighten up, man. There's a reason they call me the Bay Whisperer. It's Silas.
Sure you're up for this, buddy?
Yeah, all over this. It's